Hello. Oh, oh, now you understand what I'm talking? Previously, there was no sound. In the second one, the words were not clearly audible, or suppose there were no words exactly. But now there are clear words. What is this exactly? It is the base of English language which we have studied in school. But have you ever thought that our ancestors they have made this language, they have designed this language? Then how have they done it? It is the art of linguistics. So today we have with us Ruta Gupta Apte, who is going to tell us exactly what is linguistics.
Thank you so much, Tejas, for this opportunity. And to answer your question, linguistics is a scientific study of language. In Marathi, we call it as Bhasha Shastra. So, for any kind of communication, we need language, and this language can be verbal or non-verbal. And form of communication can be either one way, which includes writing or notice, or it could be two way, which includes conversation and dialogue. So this shows us that language also has science and it works under certain specific set of rules. So as I mentioned in the definition, it's a scientific study of language. So the term scientific includes cognitive or imperative study, and the term language includes grammar and sound. And this experimental study is primarily based on four branches, and that are phonetics, syntax, semantics, and morphology.
We do understand what linguistic is, but it was quite a brief overview. Can you please tell us something more about it, something about the branches and something else, please?
So there are almost 6,000 to 7,000 languages in the world right now. And learning linguistics can help you understand this complex system of language because it's an interdisciplinary field which not only includes cultural studies and literature, but it also interacts with health and neuro-linguistics, neuroscience. So the first branch was phonetics, where this branch deals with articulation and pronunciation of certain syllable. Then the second one was morphology. Morphology deals with word formation. So how certain word is formed, why it is formed in that particular way, what is the history behind it. Then the third one was syntax. Syntax deals with sentence formation, and the last branch is semantics, where it deals with meaning of the word. Also, there are several other branches. First one is historical linguistics, which studies how language changes over a period of time. Then pragmatics, which studies use of language in society, use of language in communication. Then applied linguistics, which includes application of linguistic theories and language learning and education. So it used in teaching materials, guides for language teachers. Then computational linguistics, that is use of computer science and computational systems that analyze written or spoken natural language, that is text-to-speech software, books or paper dealing with machine translation. And lastly, neurolinguistics deals with comprehension, production of abstract knowledge of language and human brain mechanisms, that is study of brain damage with respect to language impairment.
As the knowledge of linguistics is quite vast, so can anyone make a career into it? And are there any colleges specific for linguistics?
So, from all the information that I shared with you right now, you may find this field very fascinating, which is true. But this field demands a lot of patience, hard work, and consistency. Also, you have to keep yourself updated with all the academic and research developments. If you pursue this as a career, there are several options available that you can work as a linguist, as a speech trainer, speech therapist, as a dictionary compiler, content writer, or professor.
Thank you so much, Ruta. You have really told us so much about linguistics. Like anyone who wants to pursue a career into it, they can definitely think about it. And as it's a huge science, our ancestors were really very smart as they have thought so much while creating a single language, and there are so many of the languages. So anyone who wishes to pursue, they can definitely think about it. And I hope everyone likes this episode. Thank you so much.